What's smelly?
It's very smelly, Mommy.
Your bum bum is very smelly?
No.
What's smelly?
Mama's bum bum.
Yeah. What about
Let's
Daddy's
go.
bum bum?
Daddy's bum
Daddy
bum.
bum bum
No,
smelly.
my bum bum.
Mama's bum bum. Yeah, daddy's bum bum smells good.
Paris' bum bum smells. Guys. And by the way, meron pala tayong good news. So, it's been 3 weeks na dito sa Victoria, guys, na 0 cases kami ng COVID. Thank you, Lord. And also, no deaths as well. My favorite, ito yung pink na may strawberry sa harapan. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng kanyang style. I got this one for $5, guys.
Purple.
Purple.
Yellow.
Wait.
Oops.
Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Tinker away.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is currently 1 o'clock ng hapon at magla-lunch break kami ni Daddy Mike together. Paris is at childcare today, guys. Kasi Tuesday. Nothing in the mailbox for us. Have a look, guys. Oh, ang ating tree sa harapan ng ating palasyo ay sobrang dami ng bulaklak. Ayan. So, I'm just waiting for Daddy Mike, guys, kasi pupunta kami ng Office Works or JB Hi-Fi. Kailangan kasi ni Daddy Mike bumili ng guys, yung para sa charger ng aming mga laptop, kasi ever since nag-work kami from home together, nag-share kami ng charger ng laptop kasi yung sa kanya hindi siya binigyan ng hindi siya binigyan ng boss niya. Hi Daddy. Have a look at Daddy Mike, guys. Oh. 'Di ba? Starting to look like leaner now, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kasi, he's been doing a lot of gym recently. And also, last night, pumunta siya ng martial arts? Is it martial arts? Muay Thai? Yeah. So, pumunta siya, guys. Mixed martial arts. Kaya kagabi, late na yan siya nakauwi mga, was it 9 o'clock, Daddy? Kasi, yun na nga, sobrang busy niya. Nagpapaganda siya ng katawan. Time check tayo, it's now 1:15 ng hapon. Nagkakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng Office Works, guys. And by the way, meron pala tayong good news. So, it's been 3 weeks na dito sa Victoria, guys, na 0 cases kami ng COVID. Thank you, Lord. And also, no deaths as well. So, nung Sunday, was it Sunday, Daddy? When the premiere did the announcement? Yeah, so nung Sunday, guys, sinabi ng premiere namin na mask no more. Hindi pala siya fully talaga na mask no more, guys. So, di ba before, pagkalabas ng bahay, dapat nakamask na. And everywhere, kahit saan ka pumunta, dapat nakamask ka. Pero this time, guys, na-change na siya. So, meron pa rin kaming mga mask. Ayan. Pero pag nasa labas ka, hindi mo na kailangang mag-mask. Susuot ka lang ng mask kapag nasa crowded area ka. So, for example, papasok kami ng shops, ganyan. So, susuot kami ng mask. Pero pag nasa labas lang kami naglalakad, we don't need to wear a mask. And you know what, guys? When I dropped Paris this morning, may nakita akong 2 tao na naglalakad without the mask. It is, I don't know, giving me so much joy, guys. Kasi it's just showing na we're getting better. And yeah, alam nyo guys, alam nyo yung hassle pag nagmamask, guys. Like, hindi ka nakakahinga. And for sure, feel nyo ako, guys, kasi lahat tayo talaga nagmamask. Lucky nga kami dito sa Victoria, guys, hindi na namin kailang ang tawag dito, mag-face shield. Kasi alam ko sa Pilipinas, kung saan nakatira yung family ko sa Mindanao, they need to wear face shield as well. But yeah, Victoria, we are doing better now. And also, narinig ko, guys, yung South Australia na naman ngayon. Kasi before, nung nag-lockdown kami dito sa Victoria, guys, yung South Australia, okay sila. So, hindi sila nagmamask, wala silang lockdown. But ngayon na we're getting better, yung South Australia na naman yung nagka-second wave ng COVID. So, we're hoping na makayanan din nila, guys. Nakayanan nga ng Victoria, so they will do it as well. And hopefully, it will just, you know, totally go para hindi na tayo mag-mask talaga. But for me, guys, I think I get used to it now. So, every time nalalabas ako ng bahay or kahit maglakad-lakad lang, feel ko na kailangan ko ng mag-mask just to be safe, you know? Just to be, cautious lang ba? But, sobrang chika ko na dito ang ating Daddy Mike ay gusto nang lumabas. You ready, Daddy? Okay. We're going. See you soon. Pag-see you po, Daddy. Oy!
Bye.
Hi, guys. So, I just finished working and before natin pick upin ang ating baby girl, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo itong mga napamili ko sa Ukay, guys. Remember, last Saturday nakita kami ni Jess. So, pumunta kami ng Ukay noon. And then, the day after that, Sunday, pumunta rin ako ng Ukay, guys. It was an Ukay weekend. And ipapakita ko sila sa inyo na may mga tags pa ata. Kasi gusto ko na silang labhan, guys, para maipasuot ko na kay Paris. Mostly dito, guys, is for Paris. And, yeah, without further ado, papakita ko na sa inyo. The first one is, ito siya. Savers pala yung pangalan ng Ukay na pinuntahan ko, guys. And, this one is pangtulog ni Baby Paris. Ayan. And I got this one for $3.49. Ayan, sobrang cute. And then, this is a dress. I think medyo malaki pa siya kay Paris, guys. But, darating din si Paris doon. Kaya, binili ko na. It's $6.99. Ayan. Uy, hindi mag-focus. Ayan yung dress. Sobrang cute niya, guys. Type na type ko. And then, another dress. Navy blue ang kanyang kulay. Na sobrang cute din. I know it will look good on Paris, guys. It's $5.49. Ayan. And then the next is another dress, guys. Navy blue with parang heart yung kanyang mga prints. Ayan. Oh, diba? Sobrang cute. I got this one for $3.99. Ayan. And then, the next dress that I got here is this cute pink and white one. And this is from the brand Bardo. Ayan, guys. Sobrang ganda ng brand na to, guys. Medyo may kamahalan to siya, guys. Kasi nga, diba, branded. So, $8.49. Sobrang cute. Next one is mga shirts na ata ito. So, this one is just a plain white shirt for $2. Ayan. This one for summer, $2 din siya, guys. Super cute. This one, pang malaki na to siya, pang 4 years old. But again, $2. Oh, diba? Sobrang cute niya ng print niya, oh. Sobrang naparami yung bili ko, guys, kasi si Paris kasi, guys, pumupunta siya ng school, diba? Pumupunta siya ng childcare. So, yung mga damit na binibili ko sa kanya, yung mga dresses, yung mga magaganda niya na mga damit, as much as possible, ayaw kong ipasuot sa kanya sa childcare kasi nadudumihan, kasi nagpipaint sila, nagdo-drawing sila sa school. Kaya minsan pag umuwi si Paris, punong-puno siya ng paint at hindi na siya nawawala yung mga paint. Kaya napag-isipan ko, this is the perfect alternative, yung mga binibili ko from Ukay kasi at least kung mapintahan man siya ni Paris, parang hindi nasasaktan ang puso ko na sobrang mahal yung bili ko niyan, tapos ganito, hindi na masusuot. Kaya at least, ito sila, mga $2, $5, ganyan. So, hindi naman sa okay sa akin na mapintahan, diba? But, you can't really avoid na mapintahan. Kasi naglalaro si Paris sa school, kaya yun. And also, this one, guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Ralph Lauren, it's $4. Ayan, sobrang cute. And then, oh, this one, guys. My favorite. Ito yung pink na may strawberry sa harapan. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng kanyang style. I got this one for $5, guys, but this is very worth it. Sobrang bagong-bago pa. Ayan. And then, next one is this another shirt, and it says, "See me as a princess." Ayan. May mga paganitong ganap. Oh. And got this one for $5. Yeah, it's for 4 years old, guys. Pero, anyways, ours will get there, as mentioned. And then this one is one of my favorite as well. Yellow. Pero hindi siya yung yellow na parang color tae na yellow. Ito yung pastel color na yellow. And this is from the brand Pumpkin Patch. Got this for $5. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Yan yung nakitan talaga ako. Oh, diba? Sobrang ganda. And then, sinabi ko pang mostly guys, no, lahat naman talaga dito ay kay Paris. So, another perfect for Paris' childcare is these black leggings. I got this one for $2. And alam nyo yun, pag tawag nire-ready ko si Paris, ito lang yung pinapasuot sa kanya, papuntang childcare, and you know what? She can do anything with this one. Ayan. And also, ito talaga yung pinapasuot ko kay Paris, guys, sa childcare. Kasi kapag dress or shorts, yeah, mukhang hindi siya good for childcare. Lalo na at sobrang laro nila at baka ma-scratch yung tuhod or something like that. Kaya this one is perfect. I've got another one, but in color gray. Dus din siya, guys. Ayan. Then, we've got these shorts. Malaki pa siya kay Paris, pero not long now. She'll be able to wear this one. I got this one for $6, guys, at branded din siya. Lahat naman dito branded, guys. But yeah, tingnan nyo, oh. Super cute. And then, last two for Paris. This one is from Gap. Gap Kids. Ang ating daddy. Di mo na say hi, daddy? Kasi naghihintay na yan siya, guys. Kasi pupunta na kami.
Hey, I can't reach.
Punta na kami. Pick upin namin ang aming baby girl. So, this one, para siyang pang sundalo ba? Pero hindi, guys. Hindi siya pang sundalo na print. Yung kulay lang niya. But ito, bulaklak-bulaklakin with the butterflies and all. And then the last one here is the cute one from the brand Next. I got this one for $3.50. Ayan, floral. That's it. And then, nung nandun ako sa loob ng Ukay, guys, binilhan ko sa Daddy Mike nito ng dalawa. So, wala akong binili para sa sarili ko, guys. Obviously, nagtingin-tingin ako para sa sarili ko, but wala akong nakita na parang, nothing really tickled my fancy when I was there. So, yun, yung binili ko na lang ay ito for Daddy Mike for his training. Ayan. And then another one, this one is Reebok. Ayan, red. And I got this one for $14, itong isa.
Really?
Huh?
Was that 14?
14, yeah. I told you it's 14.
I thought it was 4. That's what I told you to get it.
Nah, 14. Very expensive.
Yeah, when I got it. Yeah. Pass it, yeah?
No, we have to wash it first. So, yun na nga, guys. I show them all to you kasi gusto ko silang labhanan ngayon para masuot na ni Daddy Mike and Paris. Kaya yun yung napamili ko sa Ukay, guys. And I really love Ukay. Kung ako yung papipiliin, kung pupunta ako sa mga malaking shopping centers to buy clothes versus Ukay, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung Ukay, guys. Don't get me wrong, I buy stuff online. Bumibili ako ng mga damit na, alam niyo yun, yung mga pricey na mga damit. But I still prefer the Ukay kasi affordable talaga siya, guys. Anyways, alis na tayo kasi pupunta na tayo sa childcare ni Baby Paris. And see my, guys, my background, our Christmas tree. Love na love to ni Baby Paris, guys. During the night, siya talaga yung nagto-turn on ng lights nito. Merry Christmas na talaga. Alright, guys, we'll see you again soon. So, guys, naisipan namin, kasi habang wala si Paris dito, gagawin namin to. Yesterday, ginawa na pala namin to ni Baby Paris, pero she pulled them apart. Kaya ngayon, tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan. Gagawin namin, mabilis lang naman to. Tsaka namin pick upin ng ating baby girl. Para at least, siguro mamaya, pag nakita niya to, hindi na niya imumove ba ulit. We'll see. Tapos na, guys. Oh, very quick. Diyan siya maglalaro. Yung kanyang mga laruan, oh.
Done.
Paris,
Can you get your water bottle?
where's your water bottle?
I'll fix it. Can you get the water bottle?
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok, guys, oh. Oh! Wow, good job.
Oh.
No more? Do you want more water?
Yeah.
Okay, we have more water. Give it to me. Be, have a look, Be. The water, Be. Ayan, uminom na, Be.
Okay, Sam.
Ayan. Nag-toilet training daw sila today, guys. Ang kanyang damit ay nalagyan ng pupo. Ay, come on na, because they cleaned that already na. Let's go. We're going home.
Go on, big gal.
Did you have a good day today, Paris?
Yes.
Good job. Say bye, Tito.
It's smelly.
Huh?
It's smelly.
Very smelly.
Yeah, it's very smelly, Mommy.
Your bum bum is very smelly.
No.
What's smelly?
Mama's bum bum.
Yeah. What about
Let's
Daddy
go.
Bum Bum?
Daddy's bum
Daddy
bum.
bum bum smelly.
My Bum Bum.
Mama's bum bum. Yeah, Daddy's bum bum smells good.
Paris' bum bum smells.
See the ones.
Little ones.
Oh, it's the big ones. Oh, it's more rocks.
Huh?
Oh, look at this one, the baby. Oh, this is the baby too.
It's a baby too.
This is the baby.
Come on.
Oh, baby. Daddy, come on. See us. Go see.
Okay.
Oh, you're good.
Hello, baby.
How baby? Oh, Daddy.
Look at this one, big one, Spotty. He's got spots.
How many small ones now?
Oh,
How many small ones?
Daddy, look at this one. It's my daddy.
I got your daddy.
Where's your daddy?
Mommy. Oh, look at this one. Look at this.
Diyos, kaya wait, bigyan niyo muna ko.
Daddy, look at this one. It's fun.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. We have something for you in the car.
Parents got something in the car?
We have something for you in the car.
What just happened in the car?
Big girl.
A bird.
Huh?
A bird.
It's a dog?
A bird, Mommy. It's a bird. What is happening?
Push. Paris, get something.
Yeah, one thing I like.
It's
He
fun.
doesn't take your shit.
It's fun.
Okay.
Open the door.
It's fun, Mommy.
Okay, Mama's run. Mama's gonna run.
Shots.
I got one too.
Okay, you go run. I'll follow you. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stop. The stairs. Stop.
Careful. 1, 2, 3. Where's the car? That's the car. Come on, careful where you're going.
My car.
Careful where you're going.
Pass to the people in the toilet.
Yeah, good girl.
My car.
Come on, guys. Dito tayo sa kitchen ngayon. Ay. Daddy might put them away already, guys. So, hindi ko na mapapakita sa inyo yung pinamili niya sa shops. Nag-stop kami doon quickly. Pero yung main talaga namin na grocery, maybe bukas na. So, yung binili niya tonight, is yung mga, mga basic lang dito sa bahay na kailangan ba. So, Daddy's got this. Is this what we're having for dinner? Ayun, guys. Oh. It's slow-cooked Mexican beef with beans and chili. We've got these chicken, crammed. 2 of them. Ayan. And the fruit and vegetables, ayan, nilagay na ni Daddy, guys, sa fridge. And then we've got garbage bags. Si Paris pala ay nanonood ng kanyang, nursery rhymes. And then we have these avocado dip and tzatziki. Yeah. Dried mango from Coles, guys. Kasi, hindi na naman kami nagdala ng plastic bag. Iwan ko na lang talaga sa amin, guys. And kahit yung paglagay sa sasakyan, kasi marami sa inyo nagsabi na leave some plastic bags in your car. So in case makalimutan namin, meron kami sa sasakyan. So once, nilagyan ko sa sasakyan guys, and then ginamit ko, and then hindi na ako nakapaglagay ulit sa sasakyan. So, ayan. Bubili na naman ng dalawa. So, make sure tomorrow, Daddy, when we go back, we'll bring lots of plastic bags.
Nothing.
Guys, ito yung dinner namin, guys. So, this is the beef. Ayan, yung niluto ni Daddy Mike kanina. And then, nilagyan ni Daddy Mike ng avocado sa taas. And then, some shredded cheese. And then, meron tayong... Is this sweet and chili sauce? Or just... spicy tomato sauce. And then, the tzatziki sauce. Ayan. So, yan na yung dinner natin, guys. Ang ating baby girl dito ay umiiyak. Ayan, oh. Binigyan na siya ng makakain niya.
If you don't eat the rice,
Ayaw niyang kainin. Kasi, cauliflower kasi yan, guys. Kaya ayaw niyang kainin. Tapos may chicken. So, kilala, anak. Eat na. Come on, eat with mommy and daddy, ha? Tingnan niyo ang painting ni Paris, guys. Oh! Hinayaan lang namin siya ba? Oh, di ba? Sobrang ganda.
Let's open it already.
Yeah, let me open it already. Wow. Oh, I like that orange.
Oh, it's a lion head. It's a lion.
What is it now?
The lion face, Mommy. It's a lion face.
It's a lion face, is it? Oh, orange lion face. Nabulingit kayo.
Okay,
We'll get ready for bed soon na ka.
We'll make bed together.
Wow.
Purple.
Purple.
Yellow.
Wait.
Oops.
Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy.
Oh, we're broken.
It's broken. Wow. Wow. What's that nut?
It's not like a lion face. No, this is not a lion face.
The orange is the lion face. What's the yellow?
This is a bit red.
A what? What is it, Nut?
And then this is so yellow.
The yellow?
Yellow birdie.
Ah, yellow birdie. Okay. That's a nice birdie. Wow.
I can paint.
Do you love painting?
Yes.
Yes. Do you do painting at school?
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Can you paint Mama na? Paint Mama. Hey.
Mommy.
Is that Mommy's eyes?
No. It's Paradise.
Oh, it's Paris's eyes.
It's here, Mommy.
Okay.
It's me one.
One? Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ito, pag na-dry na silang lahat, natapos na
I
siya
can
nito,
do two eyes, Mommy.
pwede na namin ito nihang. What is that now?
In this precious moment.
Yes.
And you can paint.
Paris love painting.
Daddy,
Yes, Paris.
we're going painting.
Are you painting? That's good. Are you
I like your light face.
paint the frog, please?
Okay.
What's the color of the frog?
It's green.
Green. Okay. We'll use the green.
It was green. Oh. This is green.
Yep.
Okay.
Use it.
Oh, down.
Kakatapos lang naming mag-dinner. Ang ating baby girl ay ayan oh, naka-icicle na.
No, he'll probably be a little
Say hi, tita and tito. Say hi, tita. Say hi, tita. I have a purple tongue.
I can have a pelican.
Ah.
I have like tongue, Mommy.
What is it, no? Your tongue is purple.
I'm feeling really close to you right now.
Your tongue is purple. Be, show me. I love you, princess. Guys, tingnan nyo ang ating Christmas tree. So very nice. Do you like your Christmas tree na? Do you like it? Huh? Guys, it's now 9 o'clock. Ang ating baby girl ay nanun pa nilalaro ang kanyang daddy. Dito na ako sa bed. Nakaready na yung mga damit ni Paris, guys, for bed. Ayan. I-share ko na sa inyo yung ating positive quote of the day. And it says, "You make a life out of what you have, not what you're missing." Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys, sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos. Sa ating mga bagong subscribers, welcome. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And ngayon ay mag-shoutout na tayo, guys. And the first shoutout goes to Ivy Haushan, Hannah Sarumines, Jessica Dailisan, Lovely Dimasangkay, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Simply Ray, Jessa Dakup, Simply Glay, Sally Saminiano, Carlota Pedro, Ronald Balaba, Telma Estrada, Queen Survivor TV, Lina Livares, Cherry May Ongayo, Cherry Salazar, Laila Evangelista, Viuli S, Feli Lamparo, Samantha Q, Maribel Patiag, Jonah Reese, Joanne Ambe, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reid, Reese Chano, Mary Andy Guzman, Lisan Bansil, and Jocelyn Gascon. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. Puntahan natin ang ating baby ko, guys. Come here, anak. Shh. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, where you gonna go? Ayaw ni Paris mag-cooperate, guys. Tumakbo ang ating baby girl. Anyways, are you still working, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright. Anyways, guys, don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye. Mwah.